guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks decorating, I guess, the second last spread I have in this week's, because after, well, as of the week of the 28th, I'm moving into my new weeks. I certainly could stay here, and I know some people kind of like, oh, I hate leaving a month behind, but I'm not too bothered. Yes, there's a few pages, I guess, wasted in here, but I don't know, it is what it is. But it also teaches me, you know, that I really do need to make more use of the pages back here. But anyway, for this week, I will be decorating with, I believe this is called Vintage Magnolia from Faded Chronicle, along with the freebie from Connie. Connie is the absolute sweetest. She is coco.plans on Instagram, and she has the most beautiful planner spreads and the most beautifully aesthetic pictures as well. Let's get started. What I'm gonna do is use this washi from Simply Gilded. Bought this last year at about this time when I went through a whole I need to buy all the washi phase, and then I stopped buying all the washi because, one, I don't have the space for all of it, but two, I realized that it's going to take me ages to get through all of the washi. Very pretty though. Okay, then we have these date covers. Let's move this over and place them down. You know what I'm missing? I am missing having my, what are they called? Tweezers. I miss having my tweezers. I have no idea where they are. They've gone missing somewhere, but like completely have no idea where they are. But this looks good anyway. Put this down. And I'm just trying to think ahead to next week. Like, what is happening next week? My husband still might have to go away to England for the funeral. It's been so late, taking so long to get organized. Okay, then I'm gonna save this for later. I'm gonna take one of these pretties, and I love these corner stickers. I think they're just gorgeous. Place that right in this corner because it just works. And then I will take the This Week sticker and actually just place it with this one right up at the top. Very simple, very pretty, nothing too crazy. And then I can put this one with maybe this paint swatch down at the bottom, maybe the other way around. I just like to keep it simple. And then probably put one of the Bloom with Grace quotes down here. And then what pen am I going to use this week? I could certainly use this, but it's a stub nib, and it is a big nib. Like, look at the size of that nib. So, and I mean, this ink is beautiful. It's Ferris Wheel Press Lady Rose in Gold, but do I have the room to be able to use this week? Maybe I could. I don't know. Let's add in a few more little things around the spread here. Let's add a little leaf. Let's add I want to add something down here. Maybe just this. Or no. I know Connie's got a really nice one in her freebie, so let's use that one. And a few of these cute florals as well. Just here. Very simple, very pretty. So now I'm gonna go in and write in my meetings. there's my overall weekly spread using the vintage magnolia stickers from Faded Chronicle. I feel like I need to add like a few more because I have so many. So many. But I also need to make sure that I have enough for my journaling spread. I feel like I should put like something in the corner here. Maybe just, actually not that. I want to put this just coming down like so. Okay, I said I needed to use a whole bunch of stickers, and in the end I used like one other one. And I think I might just leave it at that. I'm just gonna have a whole ton of stickers to use in my other spreads. Okay, very quick and easy spread. That stub nib though, with the Ferris wheel pressed Lady Rose in gold, it's such a big writer. It's too big for my Hobonichi weeks, which is why I used my Sailor Pro Gear Dragon Palace with Amamoyoi, because it's a lot more manageable in this. All right, but again, that is it for me. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.